morning, my YouTube friends. I hope you're all doing well. You can see off here the silhouette of downtown Minneapolis. And I am traveling on I-94 with the Mississippi River right on the other side of the freeway here. And 10:30 a.m., it's wide open. So let everybody have their morning rush and their 5 o'clock rush and do all your traveling around that. And it seems to work pretty well. I had mentioned that I am skipping going downtown. I'm just not going to do it in an RV. Now, if I had the motorcycle, you bet. Park the RV at Walmart. I would go show you some quirky stuff downtown, but I'm still motorcycle shopping. I am being a little picky. The only TW200 I want is one with under 500 miles, and it has to be a 2014 blue. I am also looking at the Honda Grom, the Honda Monkey, and the Suzuki Van 200 as well. So all four of those bikes I'm currently looking at, but I'm in no rush right now. I'm gonna show you some more RV accessible places here in Minneapolis today on our Great River Road tour. See, this is the Minneapolis I want to remember. I want to go look at the water. I'm here in like a really fancy, ritzy neighborhood. Luckily, it still feels like fall here in Minneapolis. That's right. Oh man, and there is a beautiful walk down to the water. You guys here in this neighborhood have an amazing little trail. This is called the Grand Rounds Scenic Byway with waterfront too. And this is not the Mississippi River, this is Lake Harriet out here on a beautiful late October day. So pretty here. Of course, we are close to the Minneapolis airport. So since I'm avoiding downtown Minneapolis, we are going to go find some parking over and check out the largest mall in the world here in Minneapolis. Hang on. I have stumbled across something very strange. I haven't touched any of these letters yet, but I did want to turn the camera on and show you what's going on down here. It says Freebird on the rock. And look at the bottom of the tree. There's a little lock on it. What are we looking at here, guys? It says, "From the cabin, I have moved home to my castle. You may write to me at Mr. Little Guy, P.O. Box 50358, Minneapolis, Minnesota 55405. I gotta read one. I'm sorry, my curiosity is just... I love you? What the heck? This one says, Rex, my favorite sport is tennis and my favorite season is spring. Yeah, I'll bet. Well, this one's sealed, so I won't touch that one. That is pretty weird. Now, I am going to share a little bit of information. If you're in an RV and trying to park at the Mall of America, you're going to want to take the Lindo Lane exit and park on the Lindo Lane side by IKEA. I actually called parking security because obviously Mall of America has a huge indoor parking structure that will not fit high clearance. So I called security and asked him, where do RVs park? And he told me exactly where. So you can see the parking garage here. It's massive, but that'd be nice in the winter when it's blizzard-like conditions and your car is in there safe. But yeah. And is it just me who cringes when there's low clearances that aren't marked at all? Like, I don't know. Nothing written there, so it's obviously a certain safe height, but still, you just never know. Alright, that was way too easy, to be honest with you. I'm parked 1 block away from the Mall of America, one of the entrances behind me. I think I said the largest mall in the world when I was driving. It's not. It's the largest mall in America. So yeah, park across the street from IKEA in the Mall of America. They have a patrolled area they go through and keep everything safe. Also, don't know what time of year you might be watching this, but here in late October, the high is 41. I know it's nice and sunny, but Jax is fine in there. I don't think he needs heat. I think the sun on the side of the RV is going to keep it about 60 degrees inside while I go inside. I'm not bringing my big camera setup. I'm going to bring my tiny little GoPro setup. It's a little more discreet, and I won't draw a whole lot of attention to myself. So you guys are welcome to come with me. I'm doing some Christmas shopping, and we're going to find some fun stuff in the mall to share with you. So here we go. First of all, I was here 4 years ago, real quick. Didn't get to spend a whole lot of time here. And I have to say, where I'm parking, that is the best way into the mall. The quickest, easiest, right across the street. And here's the main entrance. Well, the main entrance for our parking lot. So let's go have some fun today. Get my shopping list ready. I see a lot of football teams here. Looking for the one that matters, though. Where are they? There they are, them Seahawks. Go Seahawks. That's cool, though. Where's the public restroom? Is this the restroom? This place is so big that they have their own counterterrorism unit inside the mall. Yeah. And you can fit 7 Yankee stadiums inside the mall complex. I know Shields has a Ferris wheel, but the Mall of America has an entire theme park inside the mall. With a roller coaster, guys. Oh my gosh. I mean, really, a theme park inside a mall. It's got everything here. It's mostly 3 stories as well throughout the entire mall. Downstairs, I'm currently on the 2nd floor, and there's a 3rd floor as well. Look, they have Mickey shoes. Mickey Vans. Those are cool. I really like all the natural light they let in. Of course, be a lot of snow, and I'm kind of hungry. They have a Wahlburgers. Haven't been to one since I was in Vegas. So I'm gonna go in and get lunch. I got my outdoor seat. Sun feels good. Checking out the menu in here. They got sports and flames. And the food arrived. Oh yeah! Burger, fries. Well, I hit up the bookstore. Got some gifts. My bag's getting a little heavy and I may have to go back out to the RV. You know, there's even a Mall of America app for finding the stores. And just like my Disney experience, you can track all the stores and what's... hilarious. I'm getting gifts for someone else, but I still got to keep my eye out for a magnet. Maybe in the Minnesota store. Not finding any magnets, but I have an idea. How about the store across the way that's called Mall of America? Those are my options. The really big ones. I kind of like those square ones, or there's the spherical ones like the Walmart one I have. Oh no, there's a Disney store here. Just take my money. Just... oh man. Jeez. Now see, I heard they remodeled the store that's actually downtown Disney Springs. So at least this one still has that colorful feel so far. All right, I stocked up. I need to go back to the RV. I want to dump off my bags and then we'll come back in. Well, I came back to see you, buddy, to check on you. Make sure you're okay. You're okay? Meow. Oh, okay. It's a kibble emergency? Oh, okay. I believe you. I did get some gifts for myself. I love candles, guys. These are the Walmart ones I've had. The fresh cut Fraser, the warm apple pie, and the evergreen spruce. They're meh, okay. But I went to Bath and Body Works and got marshmallow fireside, which is roaring right now, and mahogany apple, and they smell so good. Not sure why I lit that one if I'm going right back in. It is warm in there. I feel like it's like 85 degrees inside the mall. So I am gonna put some shorts on. I have to. It's just too warm in there. And then blow the candle out and I'll go show you some more. All right, we're back. My hands are empty now. Gonna have some fun. Look at Legoland. Pretty epic. It's stinking awesome. I love it. Is it crazy that this mall brings just about as much smiles as like a normal theme park? Yeah, I mean, now, yeah, they have a lot of kid rides here, but I mean, those are some pretty major coasters, especially for indoors. Let me go get some info. Okay, so here's how they do the little theme park in here. For $35, you can have unlimited rides in here, but there's a bunch of kids' rides that I don't want to ride, so I just bought 12 tickets to go on 2 of the best coasters here. We're gonna start with this one here. So I think we'll start with this one, guys. A few drops and twists. Oh my gosh. Loop-de-loos. Oh boy, that thing is flying. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if you can get sick watching this from YouTube, but I'm gonna try to keep the camera as steady as possible, and you can come along with me. Then there's the orange track coaster we're gonna go on as well. All right, now that my head hurts, I don't always do too good on rides. Let's go look at this aquarium. Also, I love the integration of these little kiosks. You just type in whatever you're looking for. So I'm gonna type oh, it already popped up. The SeaLife Minnesota Aquarium, right? It says which way to go, and then it tells you how far to walk and where it's at. Okay, here's the thing about SeaLife. Like I mentioned, I was here about 4 years ago, and I said something similar like, what, it cost extra? No, I'm just gonna skip it. A lot of people just skip it, but because I don't know when the next time I'll be back, I'm just gonna check it out and share it with you, okay? Look, there's stingrays down there. Okay, that's why I didn't get it last time. It's an extra $25. Like I said, it may be another 4 or 5 years before I'm back in Minneapolis, so I'm gonna do it. Take you guys with me. All right, here we go. Ticket holders. Ooh. Smells like an underwater cave. It's like a NASCAR race. Bunch of left turns. I super like the detail though. Hey fishies. How you doing? I like the starfish, they're cool. There's one there. And I think, yep, there's one there showing off his tentacles. All right, the tour continues. What are these? Barnacles? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I am sorry for the low light, guys, but this is a room full of jellyfish. Holy cow. That is creepy. I love how they displayed them in the tubes. Jellyfish first appeared 650 million years ago, and they're now found in every ocean of the world. There are more than 2,000 species of jellyfish, but only 75 of these can be harmful to humans. That's so creepy. You guys are weird, but cool. Cool. So they got this viewing area. You can see the little Nemos in there. There's a way to stand in there. You just crawl in here. So I'm gonna do that right now. We're really close to Dory and Nemo. That's awesome. Hey guys. Wow. All right, now we're gonna walk through the Rainbow Reef. So there's fish on all sides and above us. Wow. This is so pretty. Moving on into the Shark Cove now. Oh my gosh, really? Whoa. It's nice to see the sharks getting along with other types of fish, though. Whoa, look at this guy. Look at his nose. Wow, look at those teeth. Oh, he's smiling. He's smiling for us, guys. Ooh. Wow. Holy cow. That's impressive, dude. You're very photogenic. I just want you to know. All right, have a good day. Please don't eat any little fish. Sorry, I didn't bring any fishy biscuits. Sorry about that. Next time, okay? Okay. All right. I will say, I don't think they advertise this very well. It's a lot better than it looks just by the SeaLife logo. It's totally worth it. I'm glad I could share a little bit of it with you guys, but I am mauled out, guys. I'm serious. So I'm gonna say goodbye to Mall of America. I had a ton of fun, saw some new stuff, shared it with you guys. Then go check in on Jack's now. All right, I'm back. I had to take some motion sickness pills and some aspirin, and I'm still not feeling good. I feel like I'm getting old, man. I can't even enjoy a good coaster anymore. So it is 4:22 p.m. in Minneapolis. I just noticed the clouds everywhere. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna wait here till about 6 p.m. I may even go back in the mall and grab dinner. I'm not gonna mess with that Minneapolis traffic. And since I can't park here, we do gotta move it on down the road. No campgrounds that are free nearby. I don't need hookups yet, so just wait a little bit. Now we waited, and the sirens are gone, the traffic is cleared up, the sun has set, and I think the highway is going to be a little better to maneuver without all the rush hour stuff going on. So, still noisy. While I was editing, I actually realized that I parked right next to an airport. No, I mean right next. Although it's insanely chilly and windy all of a sudden. So, all right. Gonna get back on the road and do some urban camping tonight with Jackson. We'll be back with you guys on Wednesday with a new video on down the Great River Road. So have a great night. We'll see you on Wednesday, guys.